Alright guys, looks like we have snow. Look at that. It probably snowed at midnight, as I said. What a covering out there. I won't open the window. We'll go out in a second. We're just making coffee down there. Sorry about the light. Good morning, Pablo. Pablo, say hello.
You look cozy.
We'll go out and get some shots in a sec. But first, coffee. Love the way Pablo just sits there and waits for his dinner. For his breakfast to be made.
Patiently.
Patiently. Drooling.
Yeah. That's what you got to do. You got to get it out before the drool starts dropping.
That's the goal. But Papa, you're going to go out in that snow, buddy, to go pee. We haven't got him snowshoes yet either.
And tiny little tennis rackets.
Yeah. You just don't like snow. Oh, good boy. Hurry up, buddy. Come back in. I'll bring him up here. Oh, poor fella. Come in, mate, quickly. Up under, quick. Up under. That's Pablo for the day. Where'd you go? Can't even see him. You right? Oh dear. Yeah, we're gonna have to get him some of those boots from Bunnings so he doesn't. His feet are so cold. We didn't get a chance. We didn't get a chance to get them just yet. He didn't have his size, so. Poor fella. At least we've got the coats, eh? You're braving it, are you, out there?
Yeah. Got the big coat on today. It's fresh.
Fresh out there. You might need to wear a hat.
Yeah. What did you try to say?
No, I mean, it's cold.
I've got a hood.
Yeah. Well,
That'll protect my ears. That'll protect the ears. These old things, they get cold quick.
I'll be up soon. In meantime, guys, enjoy the montage of snow shots.
The snowtage.
Alright, I'm now dressed. Fully dressed.
Every coat on you can find.
So let's head out. I can't open the door and hold the phone at the same time.
Okay, I'll do that. Ouchie.
Ooh, wow, it's still snowing up here. Oh, how pretty is that? Wow, look at the sunrise. That is gorgeous, eh?
I got some nice shots this morning.
It's still snowing, sort of. You can see on the camera? Yeah. How weird.
It is, just gently.
It's beautiful.
The sky's blowing up and you can see everything starting to melt already.
But it's not windy, which is nice.
It was windy when I went out.
Really? Well, it's not windy right now.
Let's go down and
Let's have a look at the front of the lake, yeah?
I don't want to walk on it.
Oh, wow. I don't want to walk on it.
Too nice.
We're going to walk on it, aren't we?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's walk over that bit.
Okay. Let's get a bit too bad. Good morning. Oh,
Right next to those people.
yeah. How pretty is that? What fresh snow. Let's get some photos before I start walking on that. Oh yeah, like a patamount or something. Something small.
Possum.
Possum.
Yeah.
Dead giveaway, eh? Wow, how pretty is it out there? So good, eh?
Absolutely beautiful.
I'm glad I've got these boots. I do have other snow boots as well, but they're in the back of the van. I don't think I need them quite yet. But these are quite good.
They're more for trekking.
Wellies.
These are for just running around in them.
Yeah, so good. Look how powdery this snow is. So nice. Like these are great. These mittens over the top of the, but my thumb absolutely cold because it doesn't have a relief. So I've got to walk around like.
Need a thumb cap.
I've got to walk around with this, but it's the only way I can
Get a woolly thimble.
activate my camera. It's so pretty. How is...
To the lake?
Eh?
Do you want to go down and have a look at the lake?
Yeah, we have a look at the lake. I was about to say, how pretty is your morning? Remember guys, if you're in Tassie and you see that there's snow 700 metres and you want a safe place to see the snow, come to Miena. Guaranteed. It's even way prettier down at the lake. It's just stunning, isn't it?
Yeah. Lucky you got those boots on. You trod on what you thought.
Okay, yeah, guys. This
Deep
is
puddle.
not solid. I'm new to this. That's a massive puddle. But thankfully for these, I am still dry and warm. How pretty.
Sun.
The owner came by and he said it's different today because it's real icy and cold, isn't it? It wasn't
Yeah.
like when we saw it.
No, it was very wet and slushy. It's really fine and powdery and it's whipping up
Yeah,
in the wind.
it's
lovely.
ice. It's almost like the snow is ice fluttering around. Like I know snow is ice, but you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah,
like
it's
it's
more
not.
Fine icy powder.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
really powdery.
It's beautiful. All right, I think it's time to get back to our coffees. You think?
Yes, definitely.
I
I'll
am
warm my hands
cold.
up again, very numb.
Oh yeah. It's hard to walk away from though, isn't it? I think it's going to be snowing for a lot this morning. I think we made the right call coming up here tonight.
Yeah.
Last night
Last night,
rather
yeah,
than
instead of
tonight because I
later
think
on.
it's not
Probably
going to be
all
as
gone by
pretty
then.
as this.
All the fun will be over.
Yeah, and as well as that, a lot of people actually hear about the snow then come up. So
Yeah, there's looked like a few people have rushed up here already.
yeah,
this
see the
morning,
smiles on their faces as they turned up. Yeah, with their cameras out. It's so nice to see those. But I don't think it ever gets old. I don't think.
Not really.
Because even the owner here was smiling. He goes, "It's beautiful," he said,
Yeah.
didn't he? Here's Pablo for the day, right in front of the diesel heater. Shh. You know where it's at, fella, don't you? Yeah, good boy. I can't think of anything better than to sit here and just stare out the window. Honestly, it's beautiful out there. And I think we were going to leave here today, and the reason why we were going to leave here is because I need to fly to Brisbane in 2 days. After last night, we were going to motor it down to Hobart because that's where I got the flight from. But I think we might just stay another night.
And we're also waiting on the skylight, aren't we? So.
Yeah, we were sort of hovering around Deloraine too, because as you know, we've got a post office box there, and we've sent our skylight there. But we've just got notification that it's going to take a little bit of extra time, so we don't even think it's going to be. So we may as well just stay up here because we thought it was going to arrive today. So yeah, we're going to stay up here, I think, for the night. We just need to make sure hopefully they've got this power site because I'd love to have power. If not, we'll just head out the back. But
Yeah. You don't necessarily need power. It's just inconvenient unplugging everything.
yeah, we don't need it, but I'd rather not move. You know what I mean? It does mean though, I've got to suit back up again to go.
We're already down across there.
Yeah, but I still got to put my coat on. It's never ending.
You don't need hats and mittens.
I won't put my hats and mittens in my.
It's like 80 metres.
80 metres of cold. I'll take you guys as well. I'm wearing my nice little hat today just to go over because we're not going far. I don't think it's made for like winter. I think it's just made for winter.
It's autumnal.
It's autumnal hat, that's right. What do you think though? Is that cute? Problem we have is all these spots are taken, so I'm wondering if someone's booked it because they heard the snow.
Still popular. The
Yeah.
$20 a night for power, that's very popular.
Yeah, and if you're coming up to see the snow, I guess power would be your pick. That's why we got it, because we knew we thought the sky was going to be real grey.
Solar doesn't work when you've got snow on it.
No, that's true. The
Snola.
Snola doesn't work. They haven't made that yet.
Fantastic morning it is.
It's a beautiful morning. Yeah.
How can we help?
Can we... I don't know if we can get an extra night. We're in number
2.
2? Number 2.
Yeah. It's cute. They've got chairs here now, and it's almost like they're making into a little coffee shop. It's good. Now we wanted to make a flatbread today, and we're hoping they had yogurt in here. They don't. So I might Google how to make it. Please help. All right. Quick Googling. I think we can make it with yeast, which they had,
Yeah, like
weirdly
normal
enough.
bread. And we'll use the air fryer.
Milk, salt, and butter.
Yeah.
And flour, obviously.
Sometimes you have a
We've
little
got all
sugar in as well, but that's the taste.
Sugar,
I think.
that's bread. No, not flatbread.
Yeah, I suppose.
Because it's more of a
Hey, if we end up with nice buns, that'll be even better.
No, I don't want salt. No, sugar is for bread,
Yeah.
but flatbread's more of a, what's the word I'm trying to find? Savoury.
Okay.
Morning brain. I've only had one coffee today. Yeah, it's more savoury, so yeah, it should be nice with the leftover soup we have. Not soup. Stew. Are you okay, Pablo? Hey? You're right. Up in there. How you in, buddy? There you go. Good boy. Geez, I'm glad we decided to stay another night because it's snowing again. I think it's going to snow most of today, which would be nice. It's, yeah, we definitely picked the right night to come up here.
Makes you feel cozier.
What's that?
Snow makes you feel cozier.
It does, yeah. You can see where both of us are working at the moment, just enjoying the view out the window. I do have a van next to me, but I can still see through here. I should be facing the other way, shouldn't I? Oh wow. Look at that. Nice. Anyway, back to work. All right, it is time for me to attempt to try and fry, or make flatbread. What is it, bake? It's not really, it's baking, isn't it?
Well, we're making flatbread. We're going to cook it in a frying pan. So.
Yes. So, okay, so I found something that will work. We usually make it with Greek yogurt, but we don't have any Greek yogurt. So we've got 200 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 120 mils or half a cup of warm milk. Oh, we've got a microwave. And 1 teaspoon of olive oil or butter. Let's get to it. Excuse the outfit, guys. Oh,
Yeah, it's going to get. That's going to get filthy.
I'll have you know that it is snowing outside. Well, it was snowing outside, so...
Does
Yeah,
have
it's
flurry
actually-
every now and again.
It will actually get... Maybe I'll get changed.
Yeah.
Please hold. All right. Apparently the yeast we had was a year out of date. So,
We just took it back.
we had to take it back. So she gave us a baking powder replacement. So now the ingredients are flour, salt, baking powder, milk, and olive oil. Now, let's get started. And I'm not very good at it. Right, we're good now. We're good now. So So I left the instructions to Tim and he told me to put everything in one bowl.
I didn't tell you to put anything
You
in any
don't.
bowl.
It says mix the flour, salt and baking powder together and then add the milk and the oil. But
It's all being
my
mixed at the same
help
time.
is limited. But you will do it right. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. And we had to mic up because the diesel heater's going. But apparently you break this into 4 and roll it out. Now I don't have a rolling pin, so we don't have to use an AG1 bottle. Let me,
Professional.
Just a round one, eh?
Yeah, I suppose so.
I'll do my best. And then we're going to fry them up
Yeah, looking good.
and see what it looks like. I'll make it a bit more rounder. I've just put our stew in the microwave. I'm hoping this works. It looks pretty good.
They look pretty good, eh?
Well, so far, I'm not sure how hot to have the pan, but
Well, until you get golden peaks or something.
how hot to have the pan? How does that tell you
I
how
don't
hot to
know.
have
I
the
don't
pan?
know. Just hot would be good, I would imagine.
It's fairly hot. I'm not good at multitasking. Oh,
I think we're ready.
I think we're ready.
Right.
And there you go.
Thank you.
Your stew and flatbread. Doesn't it look good?
They do. Look
Have to
good.
have a taste one. See what see what it
Have a
tastes like.
taste.
Have a taste because I actually don't know.
Mm,
Is it good?
they are light and fluffy.
Do you prefer the yogurt ones or those ones?
Preparation-wise, these ones are much easier.
Yeah, it didn't
And
seem to
less
be as
messy.
messy, did it? I mean, I used to. Well, unless I'm getting better, but
No, you would. That was a nightmare the last time.
thanks, babe. Now let's see what this tastes like with the stew. You know what? I actually like this one better. It's just a whole together better. I think instead of normal oil, we put chili oil in it.
Yes.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna leave you there. But we just wanted to tell you about a really cool movie we watched last night called Apex. It's got Charlize Theron?
And Taron Egerton.
Yes. And what's his name?
Taron Egerton.
Taron Egerton and Eric Bana. And it was, we were sitting there on the edge of our seat all night. It was a 2-hour movie, I think, or an hour and a half, whatever movies are. It felt like it went for 20 minutes because we're just like the whole time at the screen. Yeah.
Australian-based.
It's an Australian-based thriller. It was so good. If you haven't seen that one, guys, it's in the top 10 of movies in Australia at the moment. So yeah, go have a look.
Netflix.
Yeah, on Netflix. All right, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.